Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi. For those of you that are just visiting my channel for the first time, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this design. Okay, it's a national fashion week. There's supposed to be a H here. I just realized that later. But if I add the H, it's going to it's going to scatter the design, and I wouldn't want that. But at least you get the point. It is supposed to be a national fashion week. I also tried using the word fashion in Swahili, which is Fezien. That's an Fesyen, but still this is the only later FASION that actually looks good on this design. But since it's a personal design, it's not for a client or anything. I decided to let it be. But just wanted to let you know that it's a national fashion week. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's jump right into the tutorial. Now this is a blank page. It's white. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a letter frame. Okay, this is the letter frame, but I'm going to use this one so I can get the exact size. This is the first one. I'm going to duplicate this. Now we have two. Duplicate this, and now we have three. So we have three circular frames. I'm going to group all of this, duplicate, and now we have six circular frame. Yep, six circular frames. I'm going to place it in the middle. Now the image I used was this image. I got it from Canva, of course. Just searched for fashion and they gave me a lot of options. This one, I picked this one because it's going to fit with what I want to create. So I'm going to drag the image here, the first image. See, measure with, make sure that it's at the edge. See, it can't move again. So from here, I'll start dragging. Drag this, drag it here, bring it down a bit. Something like this. So that's the first one. Second one is my image. This is it. Drag it again. Do the same thing. Bring it to this edge. And then drag. If you notice, it's not passing. It did not cross this line here. So from here, I cannot drag this. Bring it here. So our second image is ready. Now do that for the third one. Double click so I can crop and adjust. Bring it here. Then drag to this point. Take it up. So third one is ready. I'm just going to confirm. Okay, now it's ready. Then I'm going to drag it again. Bring it here. Up. Then bring it down. So fifth one is ready. Drag this. And bring it here. Yep. We are almost there. This is the last one. Drag it. Bring it somewhere here. And I'm going to drag it here. And then make sure that it's and then we have it. We have one, two, three. So we have three frames. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add the text, select text from here, letter F. I use Fredoka 1. Fredoka 1 is the font I used, and the size was, I think, 362. Change this to white, bring it here to the center, and then I duplicated this A, bring it here, duplicated this S, bring our S here to the middle, duplicated this. It's supposed to be H and then I, but like I just explained why I did what I did, and duplicate this. Now if you're doing yours, you can correct it. O. I'm going to show you something just in case you want to try something like this and you want to spell it out in full. So we have fashion. Fashion. So in case you can just create a letter H, reduce it and put it right here in, yep. See, just in case, but I tried this and it wasn't looking good with what I want to do, so I just deleted it. But in case you want to do it for someone, for a client, then you can just add this so people can understand what you're trying, the information you're trying to pass across. So I'm going to delete this now and then select I want to change the color of this. So I'm going to select this, click on this color here, click on add a new color and select, pick a color from the design. I can decide to use, let me use this one. So you see, I just selected a color that is looking a bit similar to the color inside the frame, the background color inside the frame. So let's just continue. And then I selected this shape where you, yep, stop here, stop here. Change the color to white all the way to the back. There you have fashion, fashion, fashion. Okay, we're not done. I think this circle, I'm just going to copy this circle, bring it here. Duplicate this, change this color to green still, bring it here. So we have fashion and we're not done. Select the text, still Fredoka 1. This will be national. Change the color to white. I think the size of this was 130 if I'm not mistaken. And then increase the letter spacing. Go to effects, shadow, offset, transparency, and blur green. Blur. Okay. And then duplicated this, so we need to have our week, WEEK, but this time the shadow color was, I used yellow, so space this, space this, space this, bring it up. So we have National Fashion Week. I'm just going to copy this scale of Austin presents, paste it here. This needs to come down. And then copy this the date, the time, and the location, paste. So the final step was this. How did I get this particular shape? So I went to elements, went to pattern. Where are you? I searched for pattern, and then graphics, selected this, change the color of this to white, flip it other way around, this, then duplicated this, bring it here, duplicated it, and brought it here. Oops. So we have this here, group, select all of this, duplicate, bring it all the way here. While it's here, just flip it horizontally, flip this horizontally, flip this horizontally. So that's pretty much how I created this design. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and comment. I really appreciate, because that's going to motivate me to want to keep creating more tutorials. So for now, bye bye and thank you.